Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 SRX. The Cadillac SRX is beautiful from every angle. For driving enthusiasts, there's track-tuned handling, advanced engine power, and the added confidence of available all-wheel drive. Luxury lovers will delight in the new stylish handcrafted cabin. And for technology lovers, the list of high-tech features is just too long to list and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, heated rear seats, power steering, alloy wheels. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.